Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Mitri here. So in this video we will talk about American Express business card that I got with Lowe's, and we're going to unpack it. I started a little bit here, and we'll determine what's going on inside of that envelope. So let's see. If you want to open this up real quick. Oh my! I'd like to take this over quickly. And the size and the envelope. Alright, so enjoy the benefits of having Express behind you. American Express behind you. Alright, so that's pretty much how it looks like right here. So I'm just gonna move in. Let me close this off a little bit here and right here. So it basically looks like this. Invite page. So it's pretty nice. I like this card so far. So, alright. So it pretty much looks like this. It's not big of a deal. So, yeah. Looks like this. I will put the description in the picture right here. So for you guys to check it out and see how it looks like actually. Overall, this is pretty much all it is. So the reason I actually got this card is because there's pretty much insane benefits that you guys have with that. I don't really, it's not promotional video or anything, it's just I got it recently with the shout out to Kevin and with that, so he helped us out a little bit with that. But overall, so I got about 1,500 cash on that, and yeah, I think all of this is pretty much what it has. It's 24 APR, 0% APR. If I don't pay anything like that, so cash advance, nothing really, just paperwork really, which I don't plan to go to in APR and then go beyond the year or whatever. So play with the credit responsibly, as I say, right? So overall, it's pretty much good. So the reason I'm going to apply this is because I'm going to be starting purchasing a lot of things in Lowe's, and I thought that would be great because it has a lot of nice. What is this? So it's pretty much have a lot of benefits if you guys purchase anything like grocery wise or office supplies or anything like that, and especially Lowe's. So it's if you go for Lowe's for Pros, and you can utilize that there. So it's some additional benefits here. You can do travel related benefits, car rental, car rental loss and damage insurance. So that's cool. Extended warranty, purchase protection. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. I went to it, I searched it a little bit, but I wasn't really 100% the information what I got there about the card, but overall, so it's not really fancy, but it's alright. So it's a bluish looking card, so I'll put the sample here. So because I got this numbers here and the personal information on the card, I just don't want to share with you guys. But overall, yeah, it looks nice, and let me see if I can attach that. Oh yeah, it came in the envelope, nothing really fancy, just regular. So, and then, yeah. So they said number since 21st, 2021, and got my name, got my business name there, and yeah. So that's pretty nice card. So that's pretty much what I wanted to discuss with you guys. I wanted to share with you how I opened the business cards, and I'm eager to utilize that. And they actually also gave me $100 of a gift card or credit there, so that I can use that and shop on Lowe's, for a gift. But yeah, that's about it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you like the content, and if you want to continue to see those videos, or if you're interested, let me know in the comments below. But if you're new to the channel, my name is Dmitri. We're going through random stuff from time to time, and we check out rentals, IT tech reviews, and just overall general day-to-day life in IT tech, so which is truly yours here. So thank you guys for watching once again. Appreciate you all. Have a good day, whatever in whatever part you all are. Thank you once again. Have a nice day.